Good evening, my beauties. Tonight we are going to open our IPSY. This is the regular IPSY. I already did the Plus. Well, the first thing that I pull out is in bubble wrap. It says Shaina B. Miami. So, and on the back, eyeshadow duo. We love eyeshadows, don't we? Eyeshadow duo. Oh, I love it. Look at that. One is sparkly. They're like, one's matte and one's sparkly. I love it. Look at the flamingos. Isn't that cute? Shaina B. Miami. Windwood and Heat. Let's see what else is in the bag. Ooh, I got another brush. Look at another brush. If you've been watching my videos, then you know how excited I am for brushes. And I did a brush video. It's my favorite brand of brush, the F.A.R.A.H. F.A.R.A.H. Yeah, look at that. I got another one. I love these dual colored heads on the brushes, don't you? Maybe I'm weird. There you go. And this came with something. This little dude, Violet Voss eyeshadow and eyeshadow single. So I got more eyeshadow. They love sending me eyeshadow. Are you kidding? Violet Voss. And I love the name of this color. Are you kidding me? Kitten? Like little cat? What else is in the bag? My goodness gracious. Intense eyeshadow. It says Nomad. Check that out. Nomad. Berlin. Untergrund. That's underground. That is tiny. That is very small. I'm not really sure that's all that intense. It's sort of like a matte lime. But you know what? There's a color that would be really good for over the eyes to really bring out the brow bone, if that's the look you're going for. What else we got in here? Ooh. Oh, another little baggie of stuff. Whoa! I didn't think this one was going to empty. And this is the regular bag? And the other one was the Plus? I'm more impressed with the regular one. We have Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. It also comes with this matte as hell crayon lipstick. And this is Seraphine. And this is from Seraphine. Cruelty-free Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. Pearl Seraphine Botanicals. Vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. Sugar. Yeah. And see, it's kind of a sparkly, almost sugary color. And the last two items, more brushes. I went and bought a huge pack of brushes, and then what do? I get brushes. But this is great because some of my old ones can be replaced. Oh, I like that. Look at the sparkly on this. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then this one, it's another F.A.R.A.H brush, which everybody knows are my favorites. Another gold F.A.R.A.H brush. This so far is my favorites for the brushes, the F.A.R.A.H brushes. I haven't tried them all yet. There really wasn't that much for me to try on. See, I don't want to mess that up. Beauties, that was a wonderful evening, and stay beautiful.